Ukulungiswa kwalendlela efinyelela phezu kwentaba iTable Mountain kuzokwenza ukuthi abantu abanokukhubazeka bengazizwa bevaleleke ngaphandle.
We wanted to change the frown into a smile. And so we started off conceptualizing the idea of being able to give people who have a disability or an injury to enjoy the full circuit.
Table Mountain has got walkways, but how do we make sure that anybody that comes here has access and it's connected through infrastructure like this one?
Ngaphezu kwawo wonke lo msebenzi osuwenziwe kuphinde kwengezwa izihlalo ezinamasondo ezisebenza ngogesi.
I'm so excited to see that they actually have these scooters available at the bottom of the aerial car. So now you can literally grab a scooter and you can, go at your own pace and experience the mountain.
Abantu abanokukhubazeka bawushayele ihlombe lo msebenzi.
We've got wonderful legislation that protects our rights, but the implementation of those legislations have been slow in coming. And so these initiatives where we can see legislation go from policy to actually implementation to come out here, this is the actual evidence, the practicalness of what we need.
Ngonyaka, iTable Mountain ivakashelwa abantu abacela esigidini, kanti ivakashelwa kakhulu ngesikhathi samaholide asehlobo.